You're getting file not found error on directory creation, even though you check first. That's not just frustrating. It's how race conditions slip into production. Pathlib, path.mkdir, parents equals true, exist_ok equals true, eliminates both problems in one line. Imports the path class from pathlib module to enable object-oriented file system path manipulation across operating systems. Creates a new path instance representing the absolute path by combining the base directory tmp demo with two subdirectories level 1 and level 2 using / operators for chaining. Invokes the mkdir method on test_dr with parents set to true and exist_k, also true. Ensuring all intermediate directories are created if missing and no error occurs if the path already exists. Prints a formatted message indicating which directory path was successfully created by interpolating the test_dir path object into the output string. Appends the file name new_file.txt to the test_dir path object using the division operator, forming a complete file path within the previously created directory structure. Calls write_text on file_path with the exact string hello from race condition safe code as the argument, creating or overriding the file atomically if the underlying file system and Python implementation support atomic writes. Prints a formatted message showing where the content was successfully written by embedding the file_path path object into the output string. One line replaces fragile os.path.exists checks and nested try except blocks, clean, atomic, and race safe. Subscribe for daily coding videos.